to cover a couple of tips on installing a ceiling light in a metal box without a ground wire. And we're here in the Chicago area where we have metal boxes connected to metal conduit all the way back to the service panel, and this is our ground path. The conduit and the metal box is grounded at the service panel. To check whether the box is grounded, we have to have the electric on. I'm testing the hot and the neutral wire, and you can see it showing 120 volts. Now I'm going to touch the hot and the metal box, and you can see it's showing 120 volts, so our electrical box is grounded. Make sure you always turn off the electric to any circuit you're working on and double check it with an electrical tester. A shock under certain conditions can be deadly, even at low voltages. Always install a mounting strap or bracket. When I tighten the metal screws to the metal box to this metal strap, this is going to be grounded. When I connect the ground wire to this grounding screw from the fixture, this is going to ground the fixture to help prevent a potential shock hazard. I turned the power back on, and I'm going to test between the hot wire and the ground screw on the fixture strap, and you can see it shows 120 volts, so my fixture strap is grounded. I turned off the power to the circuit, and now I'm going to connect all of the white wires together and all of the black wires together with wire connectors. On your fixture, the black wires are hot, your white wires are neutral. In your electrical box, if you have non-metallic cable, your hot wire is going to be black or red. If you have conduit and the electrician pulled individual wires, your hot wire could be any color except white or green. When you're putting on a wire nut, turn it clockwise and tighten it very snugly. Wrap the bare ground wire from the fixture around the grounding screw on the fixture strap and tighten it down. Then tuck your wires into the electrical box. Put your light bulbs in if it has sockets, turn on the electric to the circuit, and turn on the switch to check the fixture. Check the label on the fixture and don't exceed the maximum wattage.